Bwana unipandishe.
Ni President William Ruto agitongoria rwimbo kanitha-ini wa ACK Milimani Dagoretti kaunti ya Nairobi kuria akomithitie na njira nene ciiko cia andu gukua Shakahola kumana na dini njogomu.
Umepita sasa wananchi 200 wamepoteza maisha yao katika mahali ambapo mambo ya Mungu yalikuwa yanazungumziwa. We have taken the decision that we are going to deal with the individuals that abuse the sanctity of faith and the word of God in a manner that we deal with all the other criminals.
President William Ruto ugite uthuthuria ni urathie na mbere aria mekunyitikana ni megutacukirio makinya mahiu ma kiwatho riu akiuria Kenya kuhe thirikari ihinda ria uthuthuria.
I want to assure you that the government of Kenya is going to get to the bottom of what really happened. Give us a little time. Our security agencies are working round the clock so that we can unravel these acts that shame the people who want to abuse the sanctity of religion.
Mutongoria wa bururi akioneka kurara kuone aria marahura kanitha kiundutho ni ugumu wa kanitha imwe riu akoria atongoria a dini kunyitanira hari itemi ria kumunya atungatiria ya ugumu.
Our religious leaders, I want to ask our religious fraternity that we work together towards formulating what our religious leaders and institution will give us as the benchmark, how we avoid situations where individuals abuse religion to extort from people.
We know there are those churches who are steadfast to preach the true gospel. And for those who are not doing that, let them know that they have made us ashamed.
Mwena-ini wake mubunge wa Kiharo Ndindi Nyoro agatetera rĩendekithia rĩa bajeti ya mwaka wa 2023 mwaka wa 2024 akiuga nĩ ihinda Kenya metikire kwenyitia muthiori na njira ya kuriha igoti niguo kugia na rucio rwega.
You came to a country where much of the workforce, the able workforce, 36% of those who are qualified to work have no jobs. You came to a country where we are not even able to feed ourselves. Mr. President, you had a choice to make us continue in bliss and enjoying ourselves in oblivion, or make the hard choice, make us tighten the belts now for us to have long-term stability in the future. And I am glad that is the route you have taken.
Ihinda-ini riri atongoria ya magacakaya murigo munene wa mathire kuma kuri thirikari ya kimera kihituku makimenereria na njira nene riendekithia ria gucokia marihi ma thirira makiuga ni ukurituheria Kenya murigo na makiria.
What we enjoyed then is postponed subsidies. Enjoyment was then, the payment is now. As we talk, even the subsidy we enjoyed last year, 40 billion shillings in subsidies of fuel, it is being paid by this current administration.
His Excellency the President goes into government and finds empty coffers in our treasury. New Goliaths emerge, and we have to find new ways of facing these new Goliaths.
Handu-ini ha Wega TV kuma Dagoretti kaunti ya Nairobi, njitagwo Kamau wa Githĩnji.